Adolfo, Mammy Moakwaba, and Faumbra GCN pages so meeting at the Adjoa Sechi. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some me bell no so. Obey a notification and send me a coso be eti and I say be a share. Ora Victor or say, okay, NPP communication team members no ewo Ashanti region. Now, or the Ensembia to Janisema, okay, Nan say. The possibility say, NDC for very drama case no every report no a very high pa 70%. Or patch say a year Monday and the Monday a woman. Senya me yado. Na say omuka in there and someone become a court when we are. The possibilities NDC for very drama case no a very high. Ankasa. Because a yakwa say waste your time. Because you're too a very December, January, February, I ever come March. 1 year never see and I second year, third year, fourth year, near to Abba. Now, NDC soon no more opposition. Enti no come here quiet as I saw to ammonia my ye. Now, how one besia your money, my son, 2024. About to near to a Ghana for any better on to Abano a day ama NDC ama yukono. Enti NDC phone pen for a year NDC caucus. Omwenya abre papa our committee no meet to amako in and so train. They are just waiting. I train the judgment day, no final judgment on the mema NDC for na se musunka NDC for na so man penny that John Dramani Mahama asem no mu imbu NDC caucus so my omo just on be telling them omo be telling na ke come adwen dia chedo. So when we stand this time, pa, quite a case or the question is I said me and I said that to Zoom. I said that to Zoom. Hey, I saw what the court money evidence, money proof, more dance for more promotion or more court. Ain't take a court case needed. A yadia by this time can come out draw. And I said, yes, I come there, assembly cocra. Now, be Osha. I didn't pay for no more chassis, I wish I shall say it or my penny that John Dramani Mahama for. Then you're the ought. The mom don't do more train. A judgment day no. Can I kill my penny that to be in cuckoo? No more train, no make come out during the action of papa. Out of Yenti and Sema, Ura Victor, or say a day a tuja.
John Mahama strategy say or per se or co election in 2024. No. Are likely to be said say next week omo ankasa be redraw case no because omo caucus ne chere NDC for na ankasa bia omo fi say John Mahama ankasa emwa omo party no in maintaining or in winning power no aye crowd say omo twen na judgment ni nyaba na butia omo wi a omo akere omo adwen akere John Mahama, and therefore as part of omo strategy to ensure say John Mahama will continue to be a flag bearer. No? Instead, no case no more because Supreme Court for number. And I'm telling you for a fact, say the possibility that they will withdraw the case next week is about 70%. And Sakasa we are okay about them part of the strategy. Or more communicators or more church you go Facebook a part of their strategy. And so don't be surprised. It's not because of anything. The very day I know Mukoko, no only the case no they knew from day one.
I'm not
Me say Omuko say Omuko ya there be John Mahama in executives now omodi uncho a omuka kire omukrofo say omodi bem no omuko krakra omakoma no omo they are take time to rule and control the NDC. And after a court case now omu supporters ni who say na omu chantro ne chere omo no. Now they want to blame me no ka say one omo blame electoral commission for their defeat me boa case na nsuo nyina mo de court no say na we must start blame electoral commission your friends the Supreme Court judges to the extent say Dr. Yene Krase your friends say predetermined agenda bi no mo ye mo amu media for so yesi mo so ka ho na mo nye fair to John Mahama won't be yesi mo nyina mo ka ho yesi asofo okromu anye fair me boa peace council yesi o mo nye fair me boa National House of Chief, yes, or Munya Papa, or Munya. Haven't you heard? almost everybody in Ghana enye fair to John Mahama. And so obi ase wonya na ne hwe ohuso ye. Se wi ase wo mo ano mutifie nyina obi ase wonya uso hwe ohuso ye. Na hwe abrabom. And that is what they are saying. The media, the Supreme Court, the National House of Chiefs, Peace Council, everybody, international community, observers omba enyi no so munya papa. And so don't be surprised. Yenyam kwala yenim ensuo to ayehu na bi ensuo nefa.
Until you said they would like to withdraw the case at a cost.
Sir, there is a privilege and a electoral petition to omu taking it for granted. A by-election a friend say there is a privilege on it. And there no cost no. Now in any case, even if there is a cost, how much is the cost? So cost no a friend say chartered accountant probably to make
Okay.
So any issue. What I say?
What's the chartered payment?
But just maybe how who see Senior, I will want to talk about this.
A very quick one,
actually. A very quick one on the power agreement as a member.
That's right. Yeah.
Look, I am very happy that this judgment has been given against Ghana. Even if they bind this, they say on for a friend say any other case. Because boy, $134 million plus 30 million interest. A far better than see about 80 million a year for 10 years. So where are people telling us you can't say financial loss? Pay or take contract now mukoye. This particular GC for there a woman, Dr. Cash, $80 million a year. So mama power, so mama power, we have to pay for 10 years. That is $800 million. For Juma, they didn't do anything. If the ultra contract near about 134 plus interest of 30 or approximately about 168 or 164.
Court of arbitration. African government so be
and no na me say ban crown ko bi o nobody can. It's better decision. Because you buy from 2017 and 2018, you tear $160 million for nothing. 2 years, first 2017, 20, we paid it for nothing. They didn't produce a dime for us.
The pride of Ashanti.
So what are you talking about?
Okay, what are you talking about? And MPP force that be contract na yama yam papa. I was see a chum. Oh, see a chum.
We can to destroy. As long as it's not coming from our camp, we will not agree. Those who were smart enough, they left. Mumbisa Moho say, where is Kwame Ahoy? Where's Atu Ahoy? Those people that the NDC for Nankasano, the real main NDC for no, where are they? Why are they not on this journey with you guys? I don't know in our tiada. Because someone will say the current situation or the current state of NDC, is problematic. To me, for ye bibia mani ye. I just yanko kunipa, yanko shiade, yan tiasia, ye per boys. Hey, let's organize boys, no more jama, and the NDC for beba. Ye do be a cocotte, ye penipa kakra no match a party t-shirt and ye couldn't NDC for beko. Hey, and so share and yashi ye beko moving we and yanko. Hey, sir. Intimodi de biano, we bukashi na bukashi, and no kwa. There be. Nye na bukashi nkwa NDC enye na bukashi nkwa to da mo mama adwene no enye adwuma mo manyankopon na ni onyam ndadi se mo de na adwene odem a mo no be ya adwuma sebe some of you mo wonyansa chen sami jamfi enso sami jamfi be ba be ka asem a kire no wagye adi na no mo na wo de be ya adwuma enkosi da ben mo be kokot afi mo wen mugase eko. When Guasia, I feed them mother to. Okay. Now, me baha na me bekasa. Na se man can't miss me party as someone. Mr. A. Kwekuado, and hold on who's a president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president, say, he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting, say, since that is the case, we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? Say, Nana Akufo-Addo ne winning ya na. I still don't get you guys. And then the bia, minion way be piano, and say yen tro, and say yen nada, and say ye wickedness, just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so will be bia bonnet. Now, omu we no, and almost signed the question petition.